Good morning, students. Next topic is deviation produced by plane mirror. Deviation produced by plane mirror. So now, what do you mean by deviation? So deviation is that it is the angle between extended incident ray and a reflected ray. Okay. Now let us consider it is a plane mirror and whose one surface is opaque and another surface is reflecting, and this surface is reflecting and this surface is opaque, means it is polished. Okay, whenever the light incident obliquely on the mirror, so the light turns back into the first medium. Okay, it is called reflection of light. When the light incident obliquely on the mirror, at the point of incidence, the light turns back into the first medium. This phenomenon is called a reflection of light. As usual, we are going to draw a perpendicular line from point of incidence. Okay, so it is called normal. The perpendicular line drawn at the point of incidence is called normal. So what is angle of incidence here? Angle of incidence is I, angle of reflection is R, and here angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Why? Because according to law of reflection of light, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection both are equal. That is, angle I is equal to angle R. What is I here? Angle of incidence. What is R here? Angle of reflection. So, supposed to be, if there is no mirror, the light passes straight without any reflection. Okay, and it is an extended incident ray. The angle between extended incident ray and reflected ray is called angle of deviation. What is angle of deviation? It is the angle between extended incident ray and reflected ray is called angle of deviation. Okay, so now what is the expression for angle of deviation? Angle of deviation is the angle of deviation angle of deviation is the angle between extended incident ray and reflected ray. Hello. Then expression for deviation produced by plane mirror. So deviation usually denoted by delta. So what is the expression for angle of deviation here? 180 minus I plus R. Okay, this total angle is 180. This angle is how much? 180 minus of I plus R. Okay, because the angle between this ray, incident ray and extended part is how much? 180 degree. 180 degree means what is the angle between reflected ray and extended incident ray? That is 180 minus I plus R according to mathematics. Okay, so this angle is angle of deviation, that is 180 minus of I plus R. Okay, then according to law of reflection of light, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, means it is I plus I. It is 2I. Okay, it is the expression for deviation produced by plane mirror. Then now, if the light incident normally, then what is the angle of deviation? Okay, if the light incident normally on the plane mirror. If the light incident normally and it reflects again normally. Here angle of incidence becomes how much? 0. Angle of reflection is also 0. Angle of incidence is 0. Angle of reflection is also 0. Then what is the deviation produced by the plane mirror now? If the light incident normally, then angle of incidence 0 na, then it is delta is equal to 180 degree, because 2 into 0 0, then 180 minus 0, it is 180. Means what is the angle of deviation if the light incident normally on the plane mirror? The angle of deviation is 180 degree, because it is the angle between extended incident ray and reflected ray. That is how much? 180 degree, because these two arrows are in opposite direction. When these two arrows are in opposite direction, the angle between them is how much? 180 degree. Okay, it is the expression for deviation produced by plane mirror. Okay, next next topic is minimum length of plane mirror required to see full image of a person. Then what is the minimum length or minimum size of the plane mirror required to see the full image of a person? That is how much? H by 2. Means it is the half of the, means the size of the plane mirror is half of the height of the person. Okay, so now let us consider there is a person and he is standing in front of a plane mirror. I will take it is A and it is B. A and B, AB is nothing but a person. Then the light ray from the A incident on the plane mirror. How the light incident here? The light incident obliquely, then the light reflects again obliquely. Okay, because angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. The light incident obliquely and the light reflects again obliquely. Then now the light ray coming from the base of the person, again incident obliquely, and it reflects again obliquely. Okay, because angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and the light ray coming from this point incident normally. Okay, and it reflects normally. Then these two reflected rays appears to be came from a position, means these two reflected rays came from a position that at that position we will get the image of the person. Okay, so it is A dash B dash. Then now these two triangles I will take it is E, and it is I will take M dash. M dash is the mirror, and A dash B dash is the image of the AB. AB is an object, means AB is a person. AB is an object, and A dash B dash is image of AB. M dash is the mirror, plane mirror. Okay, then now M dash, and I will take it is F. Sorry, I will take it is F, and it is Z. Okay, so EM dash and EA dash B dash both are similar triangles because both having common angle. Okay, so what are similar triangles here? EM dash and EA dash B dash are the similar triangles. Then by using the concept of sides ratio, okay, so A dash B dash divided by M dash. Okay, base of the A dash B dash divided by base of the M dash. What is the base of the A dash B dash? That is A dash B dash. divided by base of the m dash, that is m dash. Okay, next this one, the height of the a dash b dash, that is easy, and height of the m dash, that is ef. Then now what about easy? Now easy is nothing but distance of object, that is x, from the mirror, and distance of the image of the object is also x, because in case of plane mirror, object distance is equal to image distance. So easy is nothing but ef plus fg, ef plus fg divided by ef. Okay, so what is ef here? X. What is fg here? X. X plus x, 2x, and it is ef is again x. X get cancel. Then what we required? m dash. We required m dash. M dash is equal to a dash b dash divided by 2. Okay, so m dash is equal to a dash b dash means ab. Ab means here height of the person divided by 2, means height of the person divided by 2. Okay, what is the minimum length of the plane mirror required to see the full image of a person? That is h by 2. What is h here? Height of the person.